Hi, Alicia. I'm looking over your rough draft and I'm going to give you some comments. Uh, but I also want you to know that if you want to meet with me, even if it's just for like 15 minutes to kind of go over what I'm going to be talking about here, please just send me a message and we'll find a time for us to meet. And then you can ask me any questions that you want. Okay, I know it's been crazy busy for you. We really want you to be successful and finish off this class, both of these classes successfully. So please let us know if there's any way that we can help you out. Okay. So I'm going to give you some brief comments. It'll probably take about, I'm hoping a little bit less than 5 minutes. I'm going to send you this link. And I'm also going to send you these comments that I'm giving you in document form as well. So you have access to it in two different ways. So one of the things that I want to talk about, and I know that you were having trouble just getting something on the page, but hopefully this will kind of help you focus. Right now, what you have on the page is information about the coronavirus itself, which is all good and something that you could use in background information. So what you could possibly do is take that information that you have and condense it into a paragraph that talks a little bit about what is COVID-19 and what's been happening with it. So that would be my suggestion to you. For your thesis, one of the things that we tried to explain in the assignment sheet is that you need to make a point in relation to freedom of expression or access to information. And right now you're not doing that. What you're doing is just giving us information. So we don't want this to be an information piece that you might find in an encyclopedia. We want you to make a point about what's happening in regard to freedom of expression and or access to information. So in that assignment sheet, we also gave you these 4 options, or you can create one of your own, of a prompt that you can use to help you structure what it is that you want to say. So I'm going to focus on this 4th one right here, just for to give you an example of what we might be looking for, okay, and what that might look like as you're writing your essay. So the point that you're trying to make is, there's false and misleading information, and why does it matter that is out there, right? Why does it matter that there's false information out there? And what can people do to protect themselves from that information? That would need to go somewhere here in your introductory paragraph for your thesis statement. So basically, you're taking this question and making it into a point or a statement that you're going to be talking about. And then how you would organize your essay is you'd have your introduction with your thesis. You would take that information that you have right now and condense it, shorten it into one paragraph that gives us some background information. Then, in following this right here, your body paragraphs might look something like this. Point number 1, what is fake news and where is it? Do most people see fake news, right? How widespread is it? Is your point that fake news is everywhere, right? And then you would find 2 sources. I would suggest maybe search coronavirus plus fake news, and put that into parentheses, and you're going to, into quotation marks, and you're going to find a lot. Body number 2 could be the effects of fake news on countries. You know, how did China's not releasing information lead to other countries' decisions, right? Body 3, what might the effect be on individuals? How have individuals come to harm using fake news? So those are some examples. Those are some examples there that you can think about doing, and then making sure that you have at least 2 sources for each of those paragraphs. And then your final paragraph here, point 4, could be, how do we spot fake news? You know, how can somebody spot it and know what is fake and what is real out there? I think that's important. And then your conclusion, think about it on a personal level. How has this information shaped you and how you read the news? And what are you asking people to do as a result of this new information that you've learned about? So those are some things that I want you to be thinking about, and how to shape your essay from here, okay? You've got this, Alicia. You can do this. It's going to take you some time, and I know you don't have a lot of time right now, but you got to buckle down and do this. We're close to the end. There's light at the end of the tunnel. So please contact me and we'll help you get through it. Okay? Take care.